My name is Jackie Leimer. I am actually mostly retired, but I continue to be an adjunct professor at Chicago College of Law and stay involved in other IP interests that I have. I think it's a combination of having a stage gate process where IP is part of the stages and gates, like we did at Kraft. In addition, really having this healthy culture in the company where the business members of the team see the lawyers as their collaborators and, people who are going to help them and not the other way around. Because sometimes lawyers are seen in companies as, the no, they call it the no department, Don't go call the lawyers, they'll tell us no, If you're working in an environment like that, it's very, very difficult. So I think you need the culture of lawyers seeing themselves as business members, trying to find a solution to get to the problem solved, and business people respecting that, in addition to an actual process. I don't know that you'd have success if you had just the process, because again, the guy could just, see, I got to check with the lawyer today. Check, done, call the lawyer. If they don't embrace that as a collaborative effort, it's not going to succeed. You'll still see some legal problems down the line. In the brand side, the investment in the brand, in the IP, lets a company, any company, charge a premium for the product. Consumers will pay more for branded than non-branded, when it's especially something as important as what you put in your body. So, pharma, food, things we use that are important, we know the brand, we will feel confident in buying the product. So there's a premium. IP is the premium, the brand. You'll pay the extra. From the technology side, some of these projects are really, really expensive. So if the company couldn't reap the exclusivity of a patent, it's not going to be so willing to invest in this R&D. So the value is having the exclusivity, potentially keeping the competition away for a long period of time, or sometimes a shorter period of time, but that's the value of the IP. Depending on your product or your service or your setting, the value could be measured different ways, but it's certainly important to fund that innovation, I guess, when we take it to strictly to the innovation side, but for the ability to get your market position and keep your competition away, and doing that through your exclusive rights through IP, we wouldn't have a lot of the products we have, So it's pretty critical.